相同，相同，相同。
Same. Identical.
Same. Identical.
虽然他们相同年龄，但是他看起来更年轻。虽然他们相同年龄，但是他看起来更年轻。虽然他们相同年龄，但是他看起来更年轻。
Although they are the same age, he looks younger.
Although they are the same age, he looks younger.
产品必须按照相同的标准生产。产品必须按照相同的标准生产。产品必须按照相同的标准生产。
Products must be produced to the same standards.
Products must be produced to the same standards.
这两种美食的特色各不相同。这两种美食的特色各不相同。这两种美食的特色各不相同。
The two cuisines have different characteristics.
The two cuisines have different characteristics.
顺序，顺序，顺序。
Order. Sequence.
Order. Sequence.
请按顺序排列这些短句。请按顺序排列这些短句。请按顺序排列这些短句。
Please arrange these short sentences in order.
Please arrange these short sentences in order.
他按顺序排列数字。他按顺序排列数字。他按顺序排列数字。
He arranged the numbers in order.
He arranged the numbers in order.
银行客户按照先来先到的顺序来办理。银行客户按照先来先到的顺序来办理。银行客户按照先来先到的顺序来办理。
Bank customers are processed on a first-come, first-served basis.
Bank customers are processed on a first-come, first-served basis.
表示，表示，表示。
Express. Indicate.
Express. Indicate.
请举手表示同意。请举手表示同意。请举手表示同意。
Please raise your hand to express your agreement.
Please raise your hand to express your agreement.
他离开座位表示不满。他离开座位表示不满。他离开座位表示不满。
He left his seat to express dissatisfaction.
He left his seat to express dissatisfaction.
为了表示感谢，我送了他一份礼物。为了表示感谢，我送了他一份礼物。为了表示感谢，我送了他一份礼物。
To express my gratitude, I gave him a gift.
To express my gratitude, I gave him a gift.
养成，养成，养成。
Develop. Form.
Develop. Form.
孩子从小就要养成好习惯。孩子从小就要养成好习惯。孩子从小就要养成好习惯。
Children should develop good habits from an early age.
Children should develop good habits from an early age.
不要让孩子养成发脾气的坏习惯。不要让孩子养成发脾气的坏习惯。不要让孩子养成发脾气的坏习惯。
Don't let your children develop the bad habit of losing their temper.
Don't let your children develop the bad habit of losing their temper.
我们应该养成节约用水、用电的好习惯。我们应该养成节约用水、用电的好习惯。我们应该养成节约用水、用电的好习惯。
We should develop good habits of saving water and electricity.
We should develop good habits of saving water and electricity.
同时，同时，同时。
Meanwhile. At the same time.
Meanwhile. At the same time.
考生必须同时参加笔试和口试两部分。考生必须同时参加笔试和口试两部分。考生必须同时参加笔试和口试两部分。
Candidates must take both the written and oral exams.
Candidates must take both the written and oral exams.
在大学学习的同时，他还利用业余时间学习各种专业知识。在大学学习的同时，他还利用业余时间学习各种专业知识。在大学学习的同时，他还利用业余时间学习各种专业知识。
While studying at university, he also used his spare time to learn various professional knowledge.
While studying at university, he also used his spare time to learn various professional knowledge.
他们聚在一起聊天，同时吃着茶点，看着相声表演。他们聚在一起聊天，同时吃着茶点，看着相声表演。他们聚在一起聊天，同时吃着茶点，看着相声表演。
They gathered to chat, eat refreshments and watch crosstalk performances.
They gathered to chat, eat refreshments and watch crosstalk performances.
精彩，精彩，精彩。
Wonderful. Amazing.
Wonderful. Amazing.
这部电影精彩又浪漫。这部电影精彩又浪漫。这部电影精彩又浪漫。
This movie is wonderful and romantic.
This movie is wonderful and romantic.
他们精彩的表演赢得了热烈的掌声。他们精彩的表演赢得了热烈的掌声。他们精彩的表演赢得了热烈的掌声。
Their wonderful performance won warm applause.
Their wonderful performance won warm applause.
他准备茶点招待客人，同时也邀请魔术师为客人献上精彩的表演。他准备茶点招待客人，同时也邀请魔术师为客人献上精彩的表演。他准备茶点招待客人，同时也邀请魔术师为客人献上精彩的表演。
He prepared refreshments to entertain the guests and invited magicians to perform wonderful performances for the guests.
He prepared refreshments to entertain the guests and invited magicians to perform wonderful performances for the guests.
谢谢观看。